Many dental practices are introducing new processes to achieve social distancing by asking the patients to wait in their vehicle or nearby. And this is what we're referring to here by the Kerbside waiting room. Let me just make this a little bit bigger and bring it over. There we go. Now, if you're implementing a procedure such as this, we recommend a SignIn system which tracks when your patient arrives and then lets the front desk team member text message them back. Since you can't physically engage with your patients, which would of course have been the case if they'd been in your sitting room as normal, your system should allow you to text message them to let them know what's going on with their appointment. For example, the dentist is running late, then you can text and let them know. Or if the hygienist or doctor is now ready for them, then you can simply text them to let them know. Now here's the process. Patient arrives, then calls the office to let the front desk know that they have arrived. The front desk enters them in the system, then walks out with any paperwork that needs to be completed. So the patient can complete that while waiting in the car or nearby. The front desk texts the patient whenever the hygienist or the dentist is ready to see them. Now, we provide a system which can act independently, or it can be part of our reputation marketing system. That way, when you sign a person in, it will automatically text them. Then after the appointment, email them with a process that's proven to get patient feedback and reviews. There's a testimonial video link in the notes, so you're able to see the kind of results, and there it is there. If you're interested and would like more information about the use of the check-in form or the reputation marketing system, then do let me know.